about notice writing. Before reaching to the notice writing or before beginning to the notice writing, first of all, we should know about what is notice. A notice is a short piece of writing. It means it is a short piece of writing. It is written in short piece and it should be in written form. It is factual and formal in nature. Its nature is based on facts and it should be written in formal language. It is meant for a group of persons or general public. A notice is issued to the group of persons or general public. It is not mean of a single person or a one or two or three persons. It should be for a group of persons or general public. It is for a mass of persons. It is generally displayed on a notice board in any institution, and every institute issues many types of notices in their institution to provide some types of information, some types of other the informations about activities and examinations, and in schools the school authority provides the information of deposition of fees like etc. So generally it is displayed on a notice board. A notice is written to provide information about an event, ceremony, invitations, warning, etc. At above I have mentioned that this is a short piece of writing. So a notice is written. It is for providing an information, and the information is about any event or any program or warnings and ceremonies, etc. Now we have read about what is notice, and there are some features we should and we must consider before writing the notice. The first main feature of notice is brief and to the point. Notice should be written in brief form and it should be go on to the point. And second, attractive. And the second feature of notice, it should be attractive, and without any type of attraction nobody can any attraction or any view on your notice. Written in third person. We use third person in notice writing. Date. Date should be mentioned below the notice and the heading, and it should be we can use the right or the left side of the notice. So we have to mention, it is necessary to mention the date of issuing notice. Appropriate heading. The content, the notice has an heading and it should be maintained above the whole body of the notice, and heading should be mentioned above the whole body of the notice. No use of complimentary words. In the last, in invitations, in letters, we use complimentary words, but there is no need to use any type of complimentary words in notice writing. Signature of issuing authority. Signature of issuing authority must be necessary. It is necessary to mention or to show the signature of issuing authority with the designation, and it should be mentioned at the left side of the notice. Formal and simple language. A notice should be written in formal and simple language so anybody can understand the main content of notice and they can understand the aim of issuing notice. And in the last, the notice should be enclosed in a box like replies, like invitations, like advertisements. So in the last, when we prepare or draft our notice, we have to make a box, and the box should be used for the body of notice, and this notice should be enclosed in a box, and the box is according to the size of your notice.